My name is Axel. I work in the marketing department at Houdini, and I want to show you another new product for this season. It's called D Jacket. So it looks like this. You also have it on the mannequin here behind me. And it's a new addition to our shell range, which is actually smaller this year, but in a way wider too. It's completely circular, which means it's made from recycled fibers, but it's also recyclable. And that's all of our shells are circular, and also completely free from fluorocarbons. And I think it's really important that sort of the time when you could only think about a product from a pure functionality perspective is over. That's at least how we see it. You have to consider the impact, the environmental impact too. It's a very versatile shell. You could use it for anything from skiing to kayaking, or just, I don't know, taking a walk with your dog. We try to make products that are as versatile as possible. It's a very durable fabric. We see it as sort of our workhorse shell. You can use it all year round for pretty much anything, and it can take anything you throw at it. But we are very proud of our shells, so that's why I wanted to show it to you.